Rashoof is a traditional Jordanian soup we eat to warm our bones in the winter months, but really can be enjoyed all year round. Soften one jameed bowl overnight by soaking in 5 cups of water. Then add the mixture to a food processor and blitz until creamy. Place in a bowl and set aside. Slice one large onion into a fine dice, then add olive oil to a pot on medium heat with a couple of dollops of samna baladi or ghee. Sauté onions until golden about 18 minutes, then add the lentils, the coarse burghul, and finally the rice. Stir until all is coated in oil, then add 7.5 cups of boiling water. Cook for 20 minutes until the lentils are al dente. Lower heat to medium-low and ladle in the jameed, stirring occasionally, and cook for about 20 minutes more. In the meantime, slice an onion into thin strips. Sauté onions in ghee until lightly golden and glistening about 25 minutes. In another pan, add ghee and garlic and sauté for 2 minutes. Add crushed dried mint and mix. Pour most of it into the pot, reserving a little for garnish. To serve, ladle into a soup bowl, garnish with a few dollops of the garlic mixture and some caramelized onions. Sprinkle with crushed dried mint and serve with radishes, green onions, arugula, and green bitter olives. Absolutely delicious and filling.